Hello everyone. Today's topic is the top 5 foods to eat if you want to lose weight. It's no secret that nutrition plays a pivotal role in our weight loss journey. But did you know that certain foods can actually accelerate the process? Yes, the science of nutrition has uncovered some weight loss superstars. Foods that not only nourish your body but also help you shed those extra pounds. Intrigued? So let's dive right in. Stay tuned to find out which foods rank in our top 5. Number 1 is the humble yet mighty oatmeal. This understated grain is a nutritional dynamo that can bolster your weight loss objectives. Abundant in fiber, oatmeal has the ability to keep you satiated for longer, eliminating those midday snack yearnings. It's also loaded with vital nutrients such as B vitamins, iron, and zinc. But what makes oatmeal a true victor in the weight loss arena is its low-calorie tally. A single cup of cooked oatmeal holds approximately 150 calories. Wondering how to include oatmeal in your daily routine? It's easy. Begin your day with a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast. To make it more appealing, top it with some fresh fruits like blueberries or apples, or a dash of cinnamon for an extra zing. Remember, the key is to maintain low sugar and high fiber content. Now that is a delicious method to jumpstart your weight loss expedition. Number 2 on our list. Let's talk about berries. These tiny powerhouses are not only tasty but also filled with an abundance of nutrients. They're rich in fiber, which promotes digestion and keeps you satiated for extended periods, assisting in weight loss. The natural sweetness of berries can also keep those nagging sugar cravings at bay. So, wondering how you can include berries in your meals? The possibilities are limitless. You can scatter them over your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a healthy breakfast. They also make a vibrant and flavorful addition to your salads. And for those with a sweet tooth, you could try blending them into a smoothie or using them in a homemade fruit salad for dessert. Berries are indeed a flexible food that can seamlessly be added to your diet. Who would have thought weight loss could be so appetizing? If you're finding our list of weight loss-friendly foods helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We love sharing this type of content with you, and your support means the world to us. And if you're new here, or haven't done so yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This way, you won't miss out on our future videos packed with nutritional advice, diet tips, and more. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle. So, whether you're a fan of berries or can't wait to see what's next on our list, stick around and let's continue this journey together. Now, let's move on to our third food on the list, shall we? Number 3 spot on our list is the humble yet mighty berries. These small but powerful fruits are a fantastic source of fiber, a nutrient that aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full, which in turn can help you maintain a healthy weight. Berries are also packed with antioxidants, which can boost your metabolism and help your body break down stored fat. Now, how do you incorporate berries into your daily diet? Well, it's as easy as pie, or should we say smoothie. Toss a handful of mixed berries into your morning oatmeal or blend them into a refreshing smoothie for a quick and easy breakfast. You can also sprinkle them over salads for a sweet and tangy twist, or just snack on them raw. Yes, it's that simple. Remember, the magic is in the variety. So, mix it up with strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries for a vibrant and healthful treat. And we're just getting to the top spots. Now, for our runner-up food, let's pull back the curtain on our 4th food, avocados. This creamy green fruit is not only a favorite among foodies, but also a champion in the weight loss arena. Avocados are remarkably high in healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which are heart-friendly and help you stay satiated longer. But that's not all. Avocados are also packed with fiber. A single avocado can provide around 20% of your daily fiber needs. This high fiber content aids digestion and prevents overeating by keeping you full. Now let's talk delicious ways to incorporate avocados into your meals. Try adding slices to your salads for some creaminess, or mash it up and spread it on whole grain toast for a nutritious breakfast. You can even blend it into your post-workout smoothie for a creamy texture and added nutritional punch. Just one more to go, can you guess what it is? And finally, the last and the top food to eat if you want to lose weight is, drumroll please, lean proteins. Yes, that's right, from your favorite chicken breast to that salmon fillet you've been eyeing, lean proteins are the ultimate weight loss champions. Why, you might ask? Well, lean proteins are incredibly satisfying. They fill you up, curb your cravings, and keep you feeling full for a longer time. This means you're less likely to reach for that bag of chips or that tempting candy bar between meals. But that's not all. Lean proteins also have a high thermic effect. This means your body uses more energy to digest them, burning more calories in the process. So, in essence, you're losing weight just by eating. But how can you add more lean proteins to your diet? Simple. Start your day with a protein-packed breakfast, like a scrambled egg white or a Greek yogurt parfait. For lunch, opt for a grilled chicken salad or a tuna sandwich. And for dinner, why not try a salmon steak with a side of steamed veggies? Delicious, right? And there you have it, the top food to help you lose weight. So there you have it, the top 5 foods to eat if you want to lose weight. Let's do a quick recap, shall we? We started with our number 5 contender, packed with nutrients and a surefire way to kickstart your weight loss journey. Then, we moved on to our number 4 pick, a food item that not only helps you lose weight, but also provides a boost to your overall health. Our third pick was all about packing a punch with protein, while our second choice was a fiber-rich food to keep you feeling full and satisfied. And finally, our number 1 pick, the superstar of weight loss foods, combining essential nutrients with a fat-burning bonus. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, but about adopting a healthier lifestyle. Nutrition plays a key role in our overall well-being, and these 5 foods are just the beginning. So, which of these foods will you try first? Let us know in the comments below.